Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with DocuSign for signing insurance documents securely step by step clearly. To begin, open your internet browser. Navigate to the DocuSign website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Check your email for a verification link if you registered a new account. Click the verification link in your email to activate your account. Once logged in, locate the document you need to sign. Click on the document to open it. Review the document carefully for any details that require your attention. When ready to sign, look for the Start or Sign option. Click on the designated signing area within the document. You will be prompted to create or choose your signature. Select from the options provided, such as drawing, typing, or uploading an image of your signature. Once you've settled on your signature, click to place it on the document. If additional fields require your input, fill them in as needed. After completing all necessary fields, click the Finish button. You may receive a confirmation email once the signing process is complete. If there are others who need to sign the document, you can add their email addresses. They will receive an invitation to sign the document securely. After everyone has signed, you will all receive a copy of the finalized document. Ensure you save or download a copy of the signed document for your records. If needed, you can access all your signed documents from your DocuSign account dashboard. By following these steps, you can securely authorize signing insurance documents with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.